Hello friends, I am Dr. KIRAN PEDDI, Senior Consultant Gastroenterologist, Yashoda Hospital, Somajiguda, Hyderabad. As we all know, the incidence of inflammatory bowel disease, both ulcerative colitis and Crohn's, is rapidly increasing across the world. And interestingly enough, India is scoring one of the highest incidences compared to some other countries. The treatment landscape of IBD is rapidly changing. A lot of new molecules are coming up into the market. And a lot of research is happening in the concepts like fecal microbiota and artificial intelligence. And some of the new tools are coming up. For example, the intestinal ultrasound, which is supposed to be a less invasive tool, is becoming very, very popular. So in this setting, it's very important for all the gastroenterologists across the country to improve our understanding in the management of IBD. So in this context, Yashoda Group of Hospitals is going to organize the International IBD Conference 6th and 7th of July at Yashoda Hospital, Hitec City Auditorium at Hitec City Hospitals, Yashoda Group. So the conference is going to witness some of the popular international and national faculty, and it will be revolving around case-based discussions, theme-based concepts, and some of the interesting debates will be happening. So friends, on behalf of Yashoda Group of Hospitals, I warmly welcome you to be part of this scintillating conference. So hope to see you all there. Let's join our hands together to improve our understanding of IBD for a betterment of our patient care. Thank you very much.